Hey everyone, so today's video we're going to be going ahead and testing out that carbonite coated pulley, supercharger pulley that we have, and we're going to see if we're getting full boost and then at the same time see if we got the boost level okay. From there we're also going to see if we have the correct air fuel ratio with the data log, so we're going to be monitoring it at the same time. Hopefully we're getting closer. We were dipping a little bit lean at times, but we weren't also getting full boost, so we'll see where we're at right now. We're gonna go ahead, take it for a spin, data log, and see what we got. So now that we are inside the vehicle, we're gonna take our MPVI-2, plug it in to the OBD2 port, like so. And we'll hook it up to the PC, the other end of this USB cable. Boom, there we go. And we should be able to start it. So we gotta let this thing warm up. We also gotta get some fuel, but this should be able to record now. We'll just do a quick test here. Make sure that we're seeing what we wanna see. So this is gonna be the VCM scanner that we're gonna use. And right here it's gathering vehicle information, and this will be what's going to record all of our units. So it looks like I might have to restart this thing here. So the missing step was you have to click this little car here, connect to vehicle, because I had this program open, disconnected, and was viewing some stuff. So it's connected, then we would hit record, and you would start to see everything reading like it is here. So anyways, we don't need to record right this second, so we'll stop recording. And let's go get some gas first, and then we can go and test this thing out. Okay, so we're filling up with 91, because that's what we got locally here.
With Pay Media, you have
and we have this subliminal messaging repeatedly saying this thing.
With Pay Media, you have the power of fuel success.
Hey.
Media, you have the power of fuel success.
All right, we'll fill her up. See what she does. We're getting full boost, boys. It's pretty much 7-8 pounds the whole time, so we're good. Roll into it. That sounds crazy. I swear I'm just rolling into it. Ready? Okay, so that was a success as far as the pulley goes, but we do need to send that tune off to, and data logs off to Jay so he can add some more fuel. We can't really do too many more pulls until we get more fuel in it, but this pulley and the coating is working great, guys. And like I said, I pretty much have just the recommended from ProCharger amount of tension on there, and this thing was gripping like perfectly. So we're good. We saw full boost, what we needed to see. We just need to see a bit more fuel. So like I said, I'm gonna send that off to him. And another just quick fix, guys, this is kind of just sloppy, it's just me testing, but I took an extra silicone coupling and threw it around here against the frame and between the two, and that instantly solved my rattle issue that I had. So that's something we're gonna have to look into. I might get a black one and throw it in there so that it has something to isolate it from the bottom pipe and also this frame. It's very simple, but it does work. I'll probably just have to get a black one so it's not so noticeable. But that is almost it. What else can I show you? Rims are on, and I mean those pulls were with those big fat rims, and it was still hauling, so it should be pretty good. That's happening tomorrow. At the time of this posting, I guess you guys will probably see that the next day. This is still Saturday, so still got a lot to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and send off those logs to Jay. I gotta send him a video of the RPM and of the air fuel ratio in combination with these logs for him to be able to update the tune and send it back to me. So I'm gonna set that stuff or send it off to him, and then we'll go. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again so much for your support. I do appreciate it, and I'm excited to see where this channel goes. But yeah, we'll get this truck dialed in, and then once we get dialed in, we'll decide what we want to do with it. whether we're gonna fully keep it or keep throwing parts at it and see how fast we can make it, or we decide to maybe part it out and start another project. I don't know yet, but as always guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification so you're notified of all the latest videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.